Hello, this is Joe Benedetto. I'm going to go through the sharing process, and I would like to start with the three main ways to share. One is by using the top menu. As you can see, it says New, Upload, Flow, Sync. When I select a file, Share pops up. This is the top menu. When I click it, you have the option of going through sending it to anyone, typing their name or email, and it'll auto-populate because we're part of Somers. You can send a message as well, and then hit send. If you decide to take it and put it into a document, you can copy the link and then paste it into a document. Also, you can open up your email client. So this is one way to share. A second way to share would be if you opened it up and perhaps you wanted to go into a document, and I'm just jumping in as you look at my breadcrumb trail, and I want to hit the three-dot menu. If I click the three-dot menu, I also get the same pop-up to send a link. If I wanted to, the third option would be to open up a document. As you can see here, it opens in a new tab. I can wait for it to load, and I go to Share, and as I go to Share, I'll get a pop-up, the same pop-up. So it's three different ways. Next, I'm going back to Files, and I want to talk about some of the options here. How do you know what's shared with you? So if I click the Shared File button and it turns blue, I can see it says Shared with Me in the breadcrumb trail, and it also shows it above, Shared with Me, and it's underlined. Over here, these are all of the documents that have been shared with me, and we're going to talk about digital clutter in a little bit. Now, if I want to say what was shared by me, I would click the upper link, and this is everything that I've shared with other people. And as you can see, I have quite a bit here. There's quite a bit of links that I need to sever because I didn't use an expiration date. But more importantly, I'm going to go back and I want to take a look at what shared means. So when I click the share file, we're going to go deeper. When I click anyone with the link, it's going to populate the same menu. Anyone means everybody. People here in your organization is Somers. People with existing access is about people who already have access to the file or folder, and it's a reminder. It's kind of a tickler. It's like, oh, you don't have to search for it. I just sent it to you again. Specific people. Obviously, you're going to select certain people who you want to look at or view or share your files. Next, we're going to look at Allow Editing. Allow Editing means when this is checked, everybody has access to your file and can change it. If you unclick it, it's read-only, and they cannot modify it or change it. Next, this is the great one, is Set Expiration Date. When I click it, I can see a menu of months, a calendar, and I can select when I want something to stop being shared. And then I can apply it. That's really important when we start talking about digital clutter. So digital clutter could be eliminated when I go into my shared with other people sharing with me if they set due dates. I recommend setting it for the school year, and if you need the file again, they can reshare it with you, or you can copy one of your own once it's been shared. So I hope this has been helpful. Please go back, watch the video again, and of course, if you ever need any help, please reach out to me. Thank you.